Hi everyone. We're going to start everything by giving you some information, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment with your question below. I will answer as soon as possible. All right, let's get started. Welcome to Math Remote Learning. We are excited to be able to implement Math Remote Learning to continue educating our students. Math Remote Learning is new, and we will no doubt meet some challenges along the way. Please know we are here to support our families and continue our high-quality education for all Hawtree Creek Middle School students. We have worked to ensure tools, systems, and supports are in place for online learning for all of our students. Below is the entire math department. If you need to reach any of us, below is our emails. Weekly lessons. Student requirements for each lesson. You need to access Google Classroom and complete 3 lessons, Cornell Notes, per week. Guys, we are not stepping away from Cornell Notes. It's going to be a requirement, and we're going to get into how you're going to be graded based on your Cornell Notes every week. A completed Cornell Note is required for each lesson, either printed or student created. Just like as if you were coming into class, you can create your own Cornell Note the way that you like to write it out. There will be a guided Cornell Note that students can also print out and write on there as well. Either way, you can hand in whichever way you would like to create your Cornell Note. You can print out a pre-printed, or you can create your own with the guidelines from that pre-printed. Students must submit each Cornell Note via Google Classroom as an image within 48 hours of its original post date. For example, if we do a lesson on Monday, Monday's Cornell Note will be due on Wednesday. If we do a lesson on Tuesday, Tuesday's Cornell Note will be due on Thursday. If we do a lesson on Wednesday, that Cornell Note will be due on Friday. Each lesson's work time will consist of application problems in an attached document or corresponding IXL exercises for teachers to monitor. Students are required to show all work in their work time section to receive full credit for each Cornell Note out of 25 total points. Weekly spiral check for understandings. Student requirements for weekly spiral CFUs. Access and complete 1 CFU, which will majority of the time be a Google form, per week. CFU will be a short set of problems based on concepts addressed in the 3 lessons during that week. Students are required to submit a separate document showing work for each problem as an image, picture via Google Classroom on Friday. So on every Thursday, you will be receiving a CFU that will essentially ask you questions based on the 3 lessons that you have done that week. Okay. Each student will be required to access and complete a set of homework exercises on IXL each week. IXL exercises may consist of current topics of study or topic spirals from earlier parts of the school year. We're going to skip that last line because we're going to get into that when it comes to expectations. Math Remote Learning Weekly Plan. Okay, here is just a plan if you want to pause it or take a screenshot. On Monday, we're going to be doing the first lesson. On Tuesday, we're going to be doing the second lesson. On Wednesday, we're doing that 3rd lesson. Thursday is when the CFU is going to be posted, and the CFU will be due on Friday. Okay, so just a reminder, Monday's Cornell Note will be due on Wednesday. Tuesday's Cornell Note will be due on Thursday. Wednesday's Cornell Note will be due on Friday. You're going to have 48 hours, 2 days to complete that Cornell Note and submit it in. The grading policy and how you are going to be graded, essentially. 60% of your grade is going to be classwork, which is going to be the images that you send of your Cornell Notes. So you should be sending in 3 Cornell Notes per week, as well as your CFU, which is going to be the Google form. That is going to be our way of assessing how you understood those 3 lessons. Homework. Weekly IXL exercises to be completed until mastery, and this is where you're going to be expected. Mastery consists of a minimum of 10 completed questions answered with a SMART score of at least an 80. Okay, so let me repeat that. You must complete at least 10 questions per topic on IXL, and you must receive an 80 or higher. Shout out to Ms. Brathwaite for getting all of our accounts, and you should have your information, which was handed to you before the remote learning needed to be necessary. Participation is 20% of your grade. Logging into Google Classroom daily, viewing and submitting assignments on time, participate in Google Meet arranged time each week. So participation is just us making sure that you are participating, you're logging onto Google Classroom every single day, and you are handing your work in on time. Again, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you.